Here at Grapevine Pro, we know how much your home means to you and your family. The work we do is not just another job, but a guarantee in quality, craftsmanship, and peace of mind. We will always pick up the phone, ready to help even after the work is complete, because it's not just about today. It's about providing assurance for tomorrow. By working with the top brands and manufacturers, we are able to bring you the best in class in both product and warranties. All of our installers are factory-trained and certified professionals. We have helped serve thousands of homeowners because we are homeowners just like you, looking to better our communities and protect our families because they are what's most important to us. If you're looking for a new roof, siding, or windows, call now at 732-335-7770 or visit us at grapevinepro.com today.